How did you feel while writing the poem? That's the question. Huh.
I felt like pouring myself out on paper.
You felt like pouring yourself out.
Yes, while writing it, I did feel a bit sad because I got to know, I realized that it's not every day that I feel this free and this, expressive towards everybody. Like when I was writing the poem, I almost felt like it was my real self. I was like purely, real. But I felt a little sad because it's not every day that I can feel this much expressive.
क्यों रोका है इन आंसुओं को? बहने तो दो। ये जो कुछ कहना चाहते हैं इन्हें कहने तो दो। क्यों छिपा के रखा है इन्हें? खुद से ही अपने ही तो है। इन्हें खुद से मिलने तो दो। जो होना ही था वो हो गया ना। बस बहुत हो गई ये घुटन। अब इन आंसुओं को रो लेने दो ना। थैंक यू।
अब ये इसी पोएम को ही ले लें। आपके अंदर भावनाएं थीं, आपने उनको शब्द देकर इसमें उतार लिया, राइट? अब उतार तो लिया, आप सबने कहा आई फेल्ट रिलीज, पोरिंग आउट और फेल्ट फ्री एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट। इज दैट ऑल? इसका और क्या असर हुआ?
When we put our feelings in words, we can see how we're feeling. We aren't confused anymore.
And so one, it clears the confusion.
A habit like writing a diary or expressing ourselves through poems or paintings, we get a repetitive encounter with ourselves, as she said, that we can connect to ourselves.
So you get a repetitive encounter. Yes?
And we are able to progress more after we know how we're feeling, and when we put it down in words, we are aware.
Yeah. So beta, see, this is the self-work.
The fact that people give permission to women to do what they had been always had the right to do and feel great about themselves is a little disheartening.
That
They don't need to empower women. We were born into the same society and we were given a brain, we were given an intellect so that we could work with that. We were given a voice so that we could talk, and we were given an intellect so that we could make a choice, and that people give us permission to do that. That's even more saddening, and they feel great about themselves doing that. It's as if they're being generous.
Yes.
I remember the COVID times as I hear another funeral bell chime. I shiver, flinch and wince. Nothing has been same ever since. Thinking twice before embracing my own parents. Desperately praying that all of this ends. My pillow was more familiar with my tears, more than I had ever been over the years. I felt vulnerable and lost. The comfort existed, but at what cost? At last we rose above it all and conquered the fight. Rejoiced in celebration day and night. It was the bubbliest moment and everyone was pleased until the recently recovered cousin took off his mask and sneezed.
Okay.
मैं फोन करती हूँ इसमें तुमने क्या अपने बेड पे चेक किया?
मेरा चार्जर कहाँ है? मुझे मीटिंग में जाना है।
मैं फोन कर पहले।
मम्मा खाना दे दो पहले मुझे। मम्मा मेरी बुक्स कहाँ हैं?
तुम पहले जाके झाड़ू कटका करो। कितनी ज़्यादा देर से मेड नहीं आई और झाड़ू कटका पूरा बचा हुआ है। पहले मैं कहीं इन लोगों
मैं कुछ नहीं करने वाली, मैं सुबह से काम कर रही हूँ मम्मी। अच्छा मैं पढ़ने बैठी हूँ तो मेरी बुक से गायब हो गई है। अब मैंने कुछ करना है। खाना दे दो मुझे।
मेरा चार्जर मीटिंग 5 मिनट में शुरू होना है।
अच्छा हाँ, कह रहे हैं। हाँ।
पहले क्लासेस लेती थी, उसके बाद पापा भी उस टाइम घर पे थे तो कभी कभार नाश्ता को बनाते थे, लेकिन ऑल द टाइम से मम्मी को फिर घर का भी काम करना पड़ता था।
तो कब करती थी?
क्लासेस के बाद।
और सास एंड ससुर?
नहीं, दादी दादी।
अरे चल, और अगर होते तो?
तब तो और भी ज़्यादा होता है कि ये
Because they would obviously not tell their son to do it, they would tell their...
Okay, so tell me, do you think this is a fair situation?
No.
And so why can it not change?
It starts from the family itself, where there is a younger brother. Everybody in the family is pampering him and expecting, if he has an older sister, they expect him to become a second mother to him. Even though she has a life of her own, even though
Auntie, this is my life
This is
story.
my life.
By the way, my life story, all the things that you talked about today, the life, the terror. एक तो कोविड का टेरर था, एक तो वो टेररिस्ट का टेरर होता है। आजकल यूक्रेन में जंग छिड़ा है, उसका खौफ है, right? But think of women's lives and how they are almost continuously lived in fear. Okay, what does that feel like? And how should they cope? How should they navigate that?
मुझे ये डर लगता है कि कहीं मैं अपने आप को खो ना दूँ,
मैं कहीं अपने
अपने आप को खो ना दूँ।
मुझे ये डर लगता है कि मैं अपने फ्रेंड्स को ना खो दूँ।
मुझे डर लगता है कि मैं किसी अपने का प्यार ना खो दूँ फ्यूचर में।
I fear that my cocoon may cage me. I fear that I won't be what I had always been. I fear that I won't be invisible but unseen. I fear and sometimes I fear my fears, which threaten to unveil my unspoken words and unshed tears.
Oh, nice. Very nice. First share with your partner what your fear is, जो आपने लिखा है, and then also talk to each other and say, okay, how do we cope with this? Got it?